Hello girls, ladies and aunties. Today we're going to talk about how to make the eyes bigger and brighter. Well, all you girls who love to use the mighty kajal, well, for some time, chuck it away. On one side of my eye, I've already applied the kajal, but you can already see the difference that this eye is automatically starting to look a little smaller. Instead of using a black kohl, try using a white or a nude eye pencil on the waterline so that your eyes start looking a little brighter. Let me show it to you. The white makes your eyes literally pop. To top up with that, apply some eyeliner. So there you have it, brighter and bigger eyes. Try this instead of this for some time. Thanks for watching.